recent project that I have been working on has been this autonomy project where I'm taking a RC airplane that is based off of the RQ-7. I call it the RQX because of the modifications. But I'm designing this overarching system that allows it to be autonomous, where it'll be able to take off, fly to a waypoint, and land all on its own without any human input, or as little human input as possible.
Well, obviously the first opportunity comes in defense contracting. There are a lot of companies like Northrop Grumman, Lockheed Martin, General Atomics, who are miles ahead in UAV development, especially beyond line of sight. So in those areas, they do a lot of engineering with GCSs or ground control stations and communications and also sensors. But UAS is kind of opening up into a lot of the civilian market too, video production, obviously package delivery with Amazon's big, and also doing construction surveys.